We're gonna all fly to Mars and make really cool homes. I don't think this is gonna work. Hey everybody, I'm David Geisler. This is the Technophiles Newscast, and NASA wants to give you money if you design a really cool 3D printed thing. NASA and America Makes are teaming up to challenge both industry and private inventors to design a functioning 3D printed habitat that can be used to house astronauts on future deep space exploration missions. Registration began on May 16th and ends on July 15th. The contest actually runs until September 26th. Stage 1 is focused on architectural design concepts that can be easily 3D printed, and the team with the winning design will receive a $50,000 cash prize. Stage 2 consists of 2 challenges. Teams can choose whether they tackle one or both challenges and will not be penalized for focusing on one or the other. Each challenge in the second stage will award the winning team or teams $1.1 million. For the structural competition, which is level 1, entrants will focus on developing fabrication technologies for assembling components of the base's structure. Now, components must be made using materials that would be indigenous to Mars or recyclable or a combination of all of that. To ensure that applicants are creating viable habitation environments, all entrants will have access to a multitude of data and NASA documentation on what they would need to provide astronauts with in terms of hygiene, clothing, food, tools, furniture, everything. This is crazy. This is like if you entered a Lego competition and Lego said, here are all of the Legos. Now, some of you might remember NASA doing something similar to this back in June last year when they challenged MakerBot users to design model bases for Mars. That was awesome, but that contest was focused more on theoretical design. This new challenge is more about pushing the envelope and actually creating a feasible Martian habitat that could be implemented in future missions. This contest is an important next step for manned missions, as the ability to download blueprints from Earth and create a structure for materials on another planet using 3D printers would drastically reduce space used while transporting materials and use less power to manufacture on site as well. It looks like the next level in space exploration could very well be creating facilities on other planets in the solar system. And NASA is not alone in this vision to do so. SpaceX and Blue Origin could be seen monetary prompting to do the same thing in the near future. So what would you want to 3D print in your habitat if you were an astronaut? Let me know in the comments down below, or tweet us at TechnopilesPod, or find us on Facebook by searching Technophiles, or go to our actual website, technophilespodcast.com. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Hey, Joe? Yeah, call the other guys. We gotta get the gang back together. NASA's gonna let us 3D print homes on Mars. It's gonna be awesome. No, I haven't seen Total Recall. Why?